I said, as you know, so the shopkeeper is doctor too, you know. Me said the doctor a patient. That the doctor in there. Where that the doctor they do. Boy, me I tell you say. Me. No, sir. No. This is why I say whenever time people start say, people wicked for say, that the woman they say, Dr. D pay people for cost for her. They ain't wicked, you know. They ain't wicked. They ain't wicked because let me tell us something say. Dr. D no afraid for angle. Nothing. And when she angle, when the time at all, Dr. D take her nothing. Me I tell her say as something with mouth opening. Me say I don't know where people get mind pan yourself from. Me nah tell no lie. This year one year worse than the one over here. That one here worse than Sunday morning one. That one here worse. Let me tell you, say it worse than Sunday morning one. Nobody. And people are going to say this, I'm going to say this seriously. Me know people are going to talk and when time for one to talk about doctor and this and that. She's only human. She's only human. You can only take so much. You can only take so much. You can only take so much. Can't get up every day and make vagabond dip on you and just say you're going to get one day because they say you are somebody that dip on talking terms, right? And the person go them ways. Nobody them know who did that do before. All of a sudden, all of it. This is what it come down to, and people. No, hey, no sir. But guess what? Oh Lord, do she? But guess you never see what Dr. D. Dr. D dress up something on the man in the man. Dr. D dress up something man right after him teach him son for done spell and his son then spell the book. Dr. D take 10 minutes, man. I may tell her say the D dress up something. I may tell her say Dr. D dress up something. Dr. D dress up something. When Dr. D say who did hear me? Hey, but didn't know no. Dr. D son no say come on me hard. I mean I don't know. Dr. D no serve on the right top text said pan the woman. Top text said pan the woman. But listen, me not understand this. After when time the something with the money and everything, I should go our ways. And let me tell us something. You know what the people, I'm going to tell us something and I'm going to say this openly. Well, you know what, she have her people them she like, and everybody have them. You have your people where you die-hearted people, you have your something, because everybody knows say my heart over England, over Madge. Everybody know that time people know say me love me Noel, me love me Leisha, me respect me Diane, me respect the Queen. Everybody knows say me have for me people, me respect she Miss D as a Queen also. But everybody knows say for me heart, they right over Bringle there, so because when Bringle it's in story is touching, I'm proud for know say my Jamaican brother that. My Jamaican brother, because remember I am from the ghetto and I see how them treat people of his sexuality and for know say oh him God. You see all the time I see him all at Trinidad, I don't know if you never see that picture there. And when I see all the video with them me very, you know, me always me cheer on everybody, me cheer on me little Noel and about everybody knows say my heart that's so Chris. So you know. Alright. Now, what may I say about this whole thing here? On our YouTube live where she teach our son for spell. You did too enough. Serve you right. You know for you don't love too much bangarang. Myself, listen. And when you get up and you go this and every God Almighty thing and you and the lady and me tell her something. Me can't tell her this. Me know him love her too. Him love him sister D. But me can't tell her say a natural thing that they say nothing can pull up that. When me say that man there, Chris there, Jamaica, I not calling a man. And sister D say, where you say go in my bathroom? Where you say go in my bathroom? I know say a natural. Nobody can take Chris space. And a lot of people where you see out here, so I gotta tell you something. Where you see I draw down that lady, I draw down Dr. D. You know what is them problem? Them want for there. Them want for the wish part Dr. D because them to say everybody will go around Dr. D flourish because they say the lady and your part company, yeah, you go talk, you go black about, but stop it, stop draw down, tap on for tappy. And then it lead up now till she go come out and she go style, you know, she go angle bangle, you know. She go style and angle bag, you know. Because you go, you see the thing, you know. This is the thing when I notice again. Una come out and una spend 5 or 6 hours and watch and nobody now, everybody people, if come out, una not get no views. And she come out and take 10 minutes and a deal done everybody around go over there. And to me, Dr. Arnold, you know me already come away dirty girl for, but by right, I give her, I applaud her, she do everything she's in her right. Nobody now make nobody ride them back, she no idiot. Every God, I say them coming like a tag team. Them coming like a tag team. You can't get rid of them. One whole set of stagnant vampire upon the woman back. So when she come out and catch one, then gang up on the woman. And when she come out and she catch one and dress it up now, you go hear later, yeah. And then there's something they are coming to America. And she vulgar. And she shouldn't do this. And that. But una now look on what costs her to do it. Every day she for me the bigger me know her back, brother. But take it into consideration to say her forehead big so she just buck down somebody. Every God Almighty day, she not trouble uno. The woman come and make himself make content. She not trouble uno because she not trouble uno. I would say listen, she wrong. And a long time them after the woman there. Because you see that's why you see that big stinking dirty festive. I will never like him just like Tina. Because to say people make me tell you this, you know. A long time they are for that woman there. Long time. Una go on like she not have no blood. No care how her back broad she got tired. This year one year that the one that they come. They never give the woman a break. They never give that woman a break. Good God, man. Listen, but you know what I understand? Them say at the charity them a talk about. But if at the charity we not talk about, how comes our if it's our private our people them, our family them, our private business, like even with our immigration, how comes those things get into it? How comes those, because it's a question I'm actually not the charity now. She not doing charity now. She help 1 and 2 kids for go back to school. And most of the time, I go tell her something. Most of the time, because me can call 2 and Donna them will do it. Actually 3 will help do it. Most of the time people will come and Donna will, you know, like Donna no want do it, and either Shelly ever clean, because me can me not tell a lie pa uno. Either Shelly ever clean, Tommy fear or Knucklehead call and want help. And from one give, everybody want go. From one give, everybody want to give. Look how much time she will collect and then still a send. People no fit tap bad mind her and tap trouble woman, because she don't trouble no for any. If she did even send Josh go to school and tear out her battle and give you would have deserve it. You'd have sure look up in the battle because you're there right there watch. You're there right there watching the woman. She not troubling Uno. Leave her alone. If Uno feels that she's a scammer and she's a this, report her and make the law do the work. If you don't feel bad like you don't feel bad almighty over for, go down there and everybody should live at, go down there. I just like me put out me address and me wait for somebody to come here. Go down there and just go to her house and go thump her in her mouth. Cause since you not bad like that, they behind the phone screen every day, the same old thing, nothing happen. Because to be honest, uno words are uno handwriting on all the waste of the time, because to uno reporter, if the words didn't have any power, them uno grant her that visa. She could have 99 son in the army. Because I know woman right now, one of my girlfriend, they are England, and her boyfriend did in a something, one little thing, and she had tried send for him, and as much as he married to her, he can't go. I fight him, I forgot fight now for expunge it forget, and a girl in her big walk at England, married to one guy, and the guy have criminal record, and she have fight, she have forgot fight. So make me tell you something, if you know words did have power cap for you, we can talk our one per social media. For me, forgot pull anybody, for you forgot police station, go report me, so me scam you. You have to have proof. You have to have proof. You have to have concrete proof. Like me can call Angela Russell thief and scammer, because I know at least 2 persons. She take a lady 2,300 and she take an African man 1,000 US, and I go round and I go round and I go round. So me can call her thief and scammer. Because when she take the lady money, that time she know she owe the African money. That's scamming. She don't even pay about the African man. She take the people the money and I go round and I go round and I go round and can't pay about the money, and the people them need their money. We not see them something they are going over there. When she did, to be honest, when Dr. D did just come out, Dr. D, you don't know already. Just like when Jamie come here, you know, so go so galang or something. She tone it down, she change her ways, because people they say she change her ways and because of her brand or promotion, and she change. But me not so no ease up half her. Me not see uno ease up half her. Uno come and say she for change this and she for change that, and she talk to the people and bad and she this. Uno say a charity uno talk about. But all of a sudden, nothing where the woman no care more than Miss Richie funeral. Remember, Miss Richie wasn't that lady, and that lady go all her way out of one door. No, if she did come out today and chip some clot. I would have good me say it reach a you hear me talk it all the while. If all the woman damage you know deserve it. Nobody now sit down and make nobody take set pan them. So this is not 1 month, not 2 months, 5 and 4 and 3 long years. Raise up like a vampire. You know, can burn me with some when you not tear down the woman and not talk about you not hate or a critic. Woman, you not go fix for your life. I want to done and I want come out. I want to come out come like no one blood clot can't cry shame about. I want to come out here. Put out to the thinking blood clot out here. I come go like no one give Dr. D the blood clot blame. Blame the drunkard them will come up on her. She's only human. She have all right to defend her blood clot. Anybody can come in and take it. Me tell you already, me ain't take it. All on the family mother reach her. Me ain't take it. Every God, I know so not call the woman scammer and sitting her phone and so. First of all, she could have said she now gone in the woman private life. The woman's son won't need a ball fan and so she and now the son do it is another blood clot problem. Lose on the field for sure on the sound of words. Waste on the time because I'm gonna put my mouth again and talk. Did I go on with her? I write her, call her, this, that. She shouldn't get that visa. She should not get that visa. Every God Almighty there you get up. Take set pan the woman without a cast. I want the blood clot to now say. She not have family. She not have nobody we know her. She have her friend them, she had them a friend from blood clean. The devil was a boy. Selfish a single out stop. Long time people them. Upon top of it, only drag she. Drag the people them round her. For go man. Allow the woman alone. She a thief. Lock her up. Go on a report about her. Make them deal with it. But if she a thief, you're not supposed to have overgrind her. You're not supposed to have about her kids them. You not got out to look up on her baby. Her baby. Hey, me go tell you something. Then that cause the big problem, man. When big stinking dirty nasty festival that walk around and I go like she a donate to and support Tina. And festive go call her and tell her say she a social worker about Siloni. And I take news and I carry but go get Tina and Tina take it out and I dish it out to the blogger them. So when time she realized now I say you know one festive couldn't get the news after festive come out come talk. Because she reject because festive you that hear shit fear because festive couldn't get just like how me tell us so them couldn't get to shut me up in a batty hole. Because they say me no idiot. No blood clot, any batty hole of me go in a car, me have a mind of my blood clot on. Any batty hole of me go in a and me want go in it. No drunker can't put me in a nothing. I see the right for I tell you no once and I tell you no twice. Anytime Donna wrong, me not afraid for come out to come up my mouth and say Donna you're wrong. Donna you're too enough you want a thump in your back. Cause if you can't tell me when time I'm wrong, you will never can defend me when I'm right. If you can't tell me say I'm wrong, you will never can stand up for me to defend me when I'm right. But Me not see the reason, and I don't know why only she. Why is only she and the people them around her? Everybody, me say all for a little share. All for a little share. If Donna come out here and see one blogger, that's why me not tell you no lie. Me not like when Donna call my name, you know. If some that Donna come out here and see one blogger do something and highlight them, then go down pan the blogger look war the drunk of them. If Donna share out one blogger page, then take set pan the blogger. Big old Tina, I forgot know if you look worth to fear herself, because I'm not done with she yet. You think I don't do that for Urian, one door scan for she. But you donate money to Urian, she have to go look for the receipt and come with it, my seat. And now full time now, man, you're big old man with kids, grandchild, child and grandchild. And all you care to forget up. Nobody not say you know for blogger, nobody not say you know for talking, nobody not say you know. But where you going now, the woman who not go too deep. Hey, I bet you the next topic I go say, take it from me. Me left for me two boy then down there, so I have nothing to say. I'm a co-parent, I'm not left for me pick them. Anytime I work at night, I'm not left for me pick them alone home. You saw here say she abandoned Joshy. You saw in the next topic where them I go come with, I say she abandoned Joshy. And then them I go hear this because all of them, you know, hear them start talking already. Oh, she no bill blood clot house give her. Hey, all them something don't worry me from Joshie I go to school and Joshie is okay. I don't give a damn well if me hear say Joshie don't go to school, me we say but wait, why Joshie don't go to school? From Joshie going to school and Joshie is okay, I don't give a damn. I don't give you soon hear because to say them have to go know who in the house. Them have to go know them ready, they set up. Them have to know every. You see all now, anytime you see fall one day, Miss Dave get up on her feet for she come on live. Them a go run and say she a come foreign. She they are foreign. Them just a watch to blood clean. Me no know. Oh, hey, me no and they no miss all. Hey, sometime you know. Maybe just go and watch slide down for the YouTube live and something. Them the people there. Sit down. Sit down. There's two. The next thing you got hear say she abandoned Joshie, and then them a go start question who make the file it, and them don't understand say no, she would have to file him because say she adapt him and sit now, and them a go galang. Then them a go want know who stay at the house. Then no business with that. Then just make them a go want know who they at the house. Then you go hear. Me say wait. You wait. You hold on. You may say this is just the beginning. How can somebody get up 365 days of the year, do lies 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours? From one somebody name. But you know who me blame? I blame one of the blood clot people that must stand up and watch, because from me click on the same all blood clot story, the same all story. Sit down and listen to our life 3 hours, Donna scammer. No, my God, man. Come on, man. Anything you want to get to, don't forget more than two enough. You want to learn to leave the woman alone. She not the charity now. Every God, the woman in a competition with Uno. She no put on no filter. The more she do a put on her wig and her makeup and for represent her brand and do her promotion. Uno a come under blood clot filter and uno have problem with her. Where come natural and I come just in the makeup and the wig. Uno see her all over. Uno see the woman all over. Me around someone who never have shit, dry shit in our body. Never blood clot have run go friend the woman and run up. Never have dry shit, will not have dry shit. I go ball out say uno be oh the bumbo clot. Then me could have so fuck it. Me want to ask someone else, uno understand the things them on not talk. Oh the bumbo clot, uno not have nothing. Uno no have nothing. And uno build somebody. Why would you never build on a blood clot self? How uno build out of still can't build on yourself? Me no understand uno dirty blood clot people. Uno build her and uno put down the blood clot uno can't put her. Uno can't put her away. Uno can't reach where she there. I pass her. Stagnant people can't make nobody progressive. Me can burn me for some of the dirty blood clot, but a phone no, and a uno down the blood clot uno put her where she there and uno can reach up a her knee. How uno put her? Why uno do that? Uno no build on yourself. Uno no build no family, uno no build nobody else, but uno build she. No bitch. Uno see the people that gravitate to man I could have feel so open that kind of not talk Chris because Chris have in business for a long time. I have in business. The only thing he get a 2 follower, but he had his business and he was doing progressive business. He even left for England. I can't tell us me I watch Chris for 6 people from him a big apartment. Then time they maga. He never have no belly. Then time they little bit of maga. Uno blood clot shame because you da go like a big sour front embassy. Because home here. Let me say somebody screenshot one comment and I should have deleted it though. But they're not gonna repeat that because I know you know some people them just confused. Drunkards confused. You so here say a power and a this and a that, but only that's how the sun can sign sinting and see it and no one another blood clot problem. No one know who she go left out this and that, dead and cow fat. Move on the dirty blood clot and go away. You know if you go and allow the woman alone, you know too bad mind. Build on no blood clot self. Build on yourself. Uno build her and uno put her spot. No. Uno did what you look on Chris. Look on Chris and her. When big pussy Tina they go make the fake page and make the trouble. And Chris and her did have them different and Chris got Jamaica July. And she and Chris meet up. From there it is done. Well, brother and sister in friendship you will always have disappointment. And look for she and Chris. No hard feelings. Right pan like me. So when me hear the lady say, Chris, what you say going on my bathroom, me know it done. And me can tell you something because Chris born one day before you see. Anytime them have nothing against you, you can know. And I wish Donna would have take a page out of Chris book because Chris, you don't frig with him. Once you do Chris something and Chris done with you, there's no peace still in the graveyard. Remember me can't just say, once you do Chris something, you see this Donna would come out here like you want to come save the world and give people chance and sorry for people. And that's why you get what you get sometime because I will forever. You're too enough. Where the backside, me gonna ask you again. Where you get up gone out a lane mouth for? Where you get up gone out there for? You did know. You did know, Dada. But you gone out a lane mouth. But you gonna take picture. You go like a Vogue did out there, Papa Zari. When you check out that one picture with you, Paul and a clown in a plastic wig, you're the too enough. That's why I don't know. I will tell you, you're the too enough. From then they talk about the player, cause me cheer on my friend. Then they give you warning. For you did that sell your cake and the people and they tell you the treatment where they did that get to the whole heap of dirty bad word. And you see they start sell, you should have tap. Then you come again. After the play time, after the play, oh, go and support, go and support, go. You figure you sometimes you forget where you get to, you know. See them, you see the people them and the people them in their Obia Bangarang. You come here to doctor once and for all. You see Dr. Love and them in their Obia Bangarang, and who for money and what have you not. Come out, but leave her alone. Leave what? Who I tell nobody to leave you now? Who I tell when you ever say? You see when me see that Donna do that something that they me say no, so that woman here something do her. Something do her, no? Something do her. All these years from the vampire them, Tina them come out prior till Tina wrap up. I never hear that woman come out and say, when him a do him come out and say, no man no leave. She never come out, she never defend you. So why when she in her Obia Bangarang with Dr. Love you come out and people feel leave her? Why when the church did reject her money, you get up before you sleep in your bed, you get up or you get up for come rebuke church. You did too enough. And I stop say so. Me tell you all the while. Because I said these are the things you see them and you know them and you before you egg them on. When them did have they never come out and say no man but too bad not do it. Then do you the worst. Then drag you the worst. Then drag your family the worst. And if she even know what I say bad too bad. Bad too bad. That's why I ask the question. Them have a problem with you and the charity. Why attack the recipient? Me ask it this morning, you know. Say boy, who not deal with Donna? When Donna family are doing it, when this have to get involved. Never, not even that. Sit down and look till them said one turn round by you. Till them said one turn round by you. People them where you defend, where you sit on a table and eat. Some of them you send your money, go give them. Some of them you invite to your yard with open arms, with open big arms. I will look what then they today when they're ready, then drag you. But there and then again, Jesus died on the cross for we. And look out we do him sometimes. So, but I hope you learn from this. I are going to a new era now. I hope you learn. Learn from this. The people them wanna have it bad and it not bad because listen to me. You know, see myself take it for joke and telling us I'm live in a tent and I have sore foot. Because none of you don't know me. Nobody know nothing about me here because they say I do not live an open life. Nobody knows nothing about me. Nobody knows no tour for me. Every day all you can hear is the sore foot hungry belly girl who live in a tent. That's all you can hear. Because I say them don't know nothing about me, but some of them the people you sit down with them and have a meal. Me not bet nobody come on my yard and not a special family live at this house here. It's my kid's father and grandmother come here, come visit me. And the girl over there, so now and then, when she get to a bank statement, because them write it in a Dutch and English, she will carry it come for me because she has Spanish. Nobody else not put their foot in here. And August come at 2 years me live in a this tent here. August come. How 2 years me living here, I don't want nobody in here. Sit down around table and name with some and go meet some. But you pardon them. Make them go. Some of them used to come at their time and the life. Oh, me and Donna on the kid. And when before there, then the pan platform are tearing down. When people don't know you, them entitled to say anything because they don't know you. But the one that sit down and eat and go here, they told them worse than the one that when they don't never meet her. Some of them before they know her, she was the prettiest and she was the queen. And when they meet her and do then she this, when she not chop up, she this and she that, them body shame her the more for you. Them say, you know we're hot. Some of them blood clot, when me see them on social media, body shame people, and some of them want you looking at them mouth. A body shame people. When you look in at them mouth, cold skill in a better condition to it. Uno can't say don't answer. Uno can't the one them where I say don't answer is to feel it to do a chance when she want. She answer when she want. Full time now. Uno did say uno na me say wait, the next story I gonna be about the little boy. Then you go hear how she abandoned. And then you wait, them a come. Then not done yet. Then them a go eat, them not tap. But me say if I me like uno, more that stop because me know the amount of letter I wanna write on you. And the same only that write the sound reporter. Remember some only did all come all pan ya with brown envelope and say FBI office to come from on go reporter. So oh she get the visa? Some wanna come and so now come from the FBI office. How she get the visa? Uno no either same thing no right. Uno words that have no power. They not believe you though. Because to uno report that the woman there. Uno say uno report him at Scotland Yard. Uno say can't come. Then uno say if me ever come through. And let me tell you something. Instead of you see if them look for her. Like what? Them who don't bother give her no visa, them would go down the fear. Them not afraid. America don't afraid her. Her back could have it broad and her forehead could have big. America go for bigger than she down there. So, America don't want her. America no want her. A fair time for shine out, they can't take that. She used to damn chicken back, I never have nothing like we to, you know, one time, you know. Yeah. But she work and she make her money and she do her thing and God bless her that pitney. Cause me keep on asking the question. You think the woman could have 3 pitney America work and not give her money a month time? And she suffer with them, especially the little guy. Me see people call about $5. Much less. The woman get some money from her. Hey, let me tell you something, you know. You know the sad thing about it? The China now stop says so the Chinese man hate we. Everybody hate Jamaican and it's no problem. But the wickedest thing about Jamaican hate Jamaican. How Jamaican hate Jamaican, and I say it just said but so don't hate the recipient. Oh no hate the recipient. Oh no hate the recipient. Look how no do you rain. Look how no do Shani. Uno no want nobody progress or no stagnant. Uno want people to be stagnant like how but it's not going to work. So but somebody come out can talk about she get doctorate or what make her say no want to go do enough. Make the woman defend herself anytime she want, how she feel. She should have tear out her body wall and give them because I say, me know if Donna the tear out her body wall, them would look up in that because they say they don't left for over Donna life. Them don't left for over Donna life. Allow the woman now a full time. Uno text it pan woman, no text it pan woman from uno want uno text it, uno want uno text it, uno text it, uno no leave no stone unturned. Uno just care and she go come over there and she go make it too. She go come right over there, right past social media and do her business. And at them, if Donna ever decide, say, as an American citizen, she a go do something. Because then time the more cake I go sell because people don't have to go pay for so much shipping. So people are going to buy more cake. Who to tell Donna maybe one of them big boys or big girls over there wait for you to come rent your brand and you have your website where thing there. Donna, let me tell you something, Donna can live off our website. Donna can live off our website for sell things. Donna alright. Some of you know we are ball out sound under the sound under the sound don't even Donna alright. Plus she have 3 pickinis. 4 to be exact. Look a man I come up to. And she she will always have. Cause she say she cannot suffer. Because just the fact when me know say she kind. Me where you cannot. No weapon we farm against her shall prosper. All I want to do no can't stop her. Wanna lose, hold on a position in the stagnantly and go allow the woman alone make you prosper. People bless upon yourself. Have a blessed day.